This is the infamous radioactive red Fiesta dinnerware, also known as Fiestaware. What's unique about this dinnerware is they are radioactive. They emit ionizing radiation. The founder, Homer Laughlin, used a uranium glaze to achieve the vibrant colors like the one I have here. Fiestaware was produced sometime between the 1930s and the 1970s. By 1973, production had stopped. During World War II, I believe the company was forced to use depleted uranium, which just meant that it had less uranium-235 in it. Uranium-235 is the fissile isotope needed to make nuclear weapons, and it is used in nuclear power plants as well. Uranium found in nature contains about 99.3% uranium-238, and only about 0.7% uranium-235. This is why it goes through the enrichment process, to separate out the uranium-235 from everything else. After enrichment, what you have left in waste is mostly uranium-238. If you have maybe less than 0.3% uranium-235 among the waste, then it's considered depleted uranium. In 1986, Homer Laughlin started producing Fiestaware again, but without uranium, and it's still in production today. Okay, my background radiation is about 20 CPM. Let's see what the Fiestaware does. It looks like the maximum CPM is about 2500. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos. Have a great day.